Hey everyone, Roland here, QuickBooks. It's the lifeblood of tons of businesses, big or small, keeping your accounting, payroll, and financials in check. But just like any software, QuickBooks is constantly evolving with new features and security patches. If you're in Houston and the thought of upgrading your QuickBooks stresses you out, listen up. Impress IT Solutions can make this whole upgrade process smooth as butter. Let's get started. Before you even think about clicking that download button, hold on a second. We gotta make sure your computer can handle the latest QuickBooks software without any hiccups. It's like trying to stuff a square peg in a round hole. If your system isn't up to snuff, you're gonna have a bad time. Trust me, you don't want that frustration. Head over to the QuickBooks website or give the folks at Impress IT Solutions a shout. They can help you out. They'll tell you exactly what specs you need to run QuickBooks smoothly. We're talking operating system compatibility. Are you running Windows 10, macOS, or maybe something else entirely? Make sure it's all gravy. You want everything to be compatible. Next up, RAM and storage capacity. These are crucial for performance. QuickBooks needs enough of both to run smoothly. Don't skimp on these. Finally, check those supported web browsers. Make sure you're using one that's compatible. This step is crucial and will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Picture this. You're halfway through the upgrade process and bam, power outage. Your screen goes black and all your hard work is suddenly at risk. Or maybe your cat decides to walk across your keyboard at the worst possible moment, causing chaos and potential data loss. Weird stuff happens all the time, and that's why backing up your data is non-negotiable. It's not a matter of if, but when you'll need it. It's like wearing a helmet when you ride a bike. You might not need it every time, but you'll be really glad you have it if things go sideways. Safety first, right? So, how do you back up your QuickBooks like a pro? Easy peasy. It's simpler than you might think. Open up QuickBooks and head to File, Backup Company. Create local backup, follow the prompts, and you're on your way. Boom, you're basically a data-saving ninja. You've taken the first step to protect your valuable information. Now choose a safe and sound location to store your backup. Make sure it's somewhere secure and easily accessible. An external hard drive is a good start. It's reliable and keeps your data close at hand. For extra security, Impress IT Solutions can hook you up with secure cloud backups. Peace of mind? Priceless. With cloud storage, your data is safe from physical damage and accessible from anywhere. Alright, it's time to make a decision. QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online? It's like choosing between a trusty pickup truck and a sleek sports car. Both will get you where you need to go, but they've got different strengths. Desktop is like that reliable workhorse. It's been around forever, it's powerful, and it can handle even the most complex businesses. Online, on the other hand, is all about flexibility and accessibility. You can access your financials from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you've figured out which flavor of QuickBooks is right for you, buy that license or subscription. Impress IT Solutions can guide you to the right version for your specific business needs. You've got your shiny new QuickBooks license or subscription, and now it's time to get that bad boy installed. Don't worry, the process is simpler than you might think. First, head over to the Intuit website and download the installer for your chosen version of QuickBooks. Make sure you select the correct version that matches your license or subscription. It's usually pretty easy to find, just look for a big old download button. It should be prominently displayed on the download page. Once the download's done, double-click that installer and get ready for some on-screen instructions. This part is crucial, so pay close attention. It's usually pretty straightforward. Just click Next a bunch of times and you'll be good to go. The installer will guide you through each step. The installer will walk you through everything, including entering your license or product information. Make sure you have your license key handy. If you'd rather leave this part to the pros, Impress IT Solutions can handle the entire installation process for you. They have the expertise to ensure everything goes smoothly. They'll make sure everything is configured correctly so you can start using QuickBooks without any hassle. You're ready to roll and manage your finances efficiently. You've installed the new QuickBooks, you're feeling good, but we're not quite done yet. Now it's time to update your company file. This is where all your important financial data lives. So, we gotta be careful here. Open up the new version of QuickBooks and log in as the admin user. QuickBooks will probably sense that you're working with an older company file and prompt you to update it. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be golden. Once you update your company file, older versions of QuickBooks won't be able to open it. Make sure everyone upgrades at the same time to avoid compatibility issues. You've upgraded QuickBooks, updated your company file. You're basically a QuickBooks wizard at this point, right? Well, hold your horses there, buckaroo, because we gotta test everything out to make sure it's working as expected. Double check that all your data made the jump to the new version. We're talking customer info, invoices, expenses, the whole shebang. Test out all the critical features you use on a regular basis. Payroll, invoicing, reporting, all that good stuff. Make sure it's all working as smoothly as a well-oiled machine. If you run into any snags, don't panic. Check the QuickBooks website for troubleshooting tips, or give Impress IT Solutions a call. They've probably seen it all and can get you back on track in no time. If your new QuickBooks version comes with a bunch of fancy new features, make sure your team knows how to use them. It's like getting a new smartphone. You wouldn't just hand it to someone without showing them how to use the camera or download apps, right? Training doesn't have to be boring either. You can do a quick in-person session, create some helpful cheat sheets, or even record a video tutorial. The important thing is that everyone's on the same page and comfortable using the new software. Impress IT Solutions offers training sessions tailored specifically to QuickBooks. A well-trained team is a happy and productive team. There you have it, folks. Upgrading QuickBooks might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's essential for keeping your business running like a well-oiled machine. Staying on top of the latest version means you're getting all the new features, enhanced security, and seamless compatibility with all your favorite tools. But hey, I get it. Sometimes you just don't have the time or the patience to deal with a software upgrade. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. These guys are the QuickBooks Whisperers of Houston, and they'll make sure your upgrade process is smoother than a freshly paved road. Give Impress IT Solutions a call today and schedule your QuickBooks upgrade consultation. Until next time, stay efficient out there.